plaintiff. In such case, liability arises in a tort. There are theories, namely the will theory and the interest theory. Legal rights are related to duties. In this relationship, duty are considered superior and legal right considered in. Rights are considered a symbol of power and capacity. An individual in a higher position can use their right to obligate subordinate to use fulfill duties. Definition of right by legal thinkers. Salman defined right as power to compel another to do or abstain from doing something which is confirmed by law. Austin, power to power of one to compel another to do or forbear, which is enforced by the section of the sovereign authority. Essentially, it is the power to obligate someone else perform their duty. Then the Holland described right as capacity residing in one man of controlling with the assent and assistance of state the action of others. This implies the role of the state's permission and cooperation in exercise of right and control over others' action. Then come the prerequisite of legal right, will or desire of individual. There should be will or desire of individual to have a particular freedom or entitle, such as the right to freedom or equality, recognition and protection by law. The right should recognize and protect this will or desire. This often involves the state creating article or laws that acknowledge and safeguard these rights, along with legal remedy of their violation. Type of rights. Ownership right. Ownership is described as bundle of right a person has over an object. This right include right to use, right to possession, right to transfer through mortgage, sale and donation, right to dispose, jus rem and jus in personam, jus in rem, lok lakshadikar. These are right available against the word at large. An example of this right is to possess one's property. Jus in persona. These rights available against a specific person. An example provided in the right to receive alimony in a divorce, right to repropria, and right to realign. They relate the right concerning one's own property and right concerning property of another respectively. Fundamental right. These are rights granted by Constitution and for whose protection there are provisions within the Constitution itself, such as Article 12 to 35, which include the right to freedom. Other type of legal rights are rights that are recognized and fully protected by law without any condition. The right to protect one's law without any condition. The right to protect one's own life, whose violation or of property sold national right within a nation system. Corresponding duty, the exchange of implies a duty on another person, entity to respect that right, not always simultaneous and terminal. The termination of a duty does not necessarily lead to termination of right. For example, even if a clerk employment and the senior officer authority over other remains same. Then come concept of law. Right are fundamental concept of law alongside ownership, possession, personality, and liability.